how to install Vanguard for Valorant. So we're just gonna go ahead and do everything from scratch, from uninstalling the Vanguard itself to make sure there isn't any extra problems. So first of all, go ahead into your device settings, go to the apps and just search for your installed apps over here and then search for your Vanguard. So you'd go ahead and manually search for it over here, but in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and type it in. So we have right Vanguard over here. Just go ahead and uninstall that. So allow that and just go ahead and press on yes. So once you've uninstalled that, there's a few more steps you're gonna have to do. Don't have to worry since this is pretty quick. You're gonna have to search for your command prompt on your search bar and run this as administrator. You're gonna have to put in a few codes over here. So first of all, type in SC, then delete SO, and then VGC. So press and enter, and after that, you're gonna have to do it pretty similar, but this time it's VGK. Press and enter, and that should be done. What you're gonna have to do now is open up your Riot. Again, you're gonna have to reopen it. So close your Riot. So you didn't really have to have open Riot in the first place, but we did it anyway. But this time, just open Riot client again, wait for it to load, then just go ahead into your Valorant over here and it's just gonna automatically detect that you no longer have Vanguard. Just go ahead and press an update over here and it will install it for you. Just go ahead and follow the prompts, press yes, and that's pretty much it on how you can install Vanguard. You can do it in the Riot client directly. But hopefully the information of this video wasn't too confusing. Just go ahead and follow every step specifically. But if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.